Kentucky
Yeah, it's
heavy.
like,
Oh, it's a new watch. New watch.
fix. Go.
Northeastern Bradford County, southeastern Godwin County until 5 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Duco, or 11 miles south of Salyersville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding,
Yeah, we got
and
this.
trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Guyville around 4:35 p.m. Orchard around 4:40 p.m.
Thunder.
Pyramid around 4:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Blue River, Dock, and Martin. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Godwin, Kentucky,